Hello bestie, it's me Yui. For today's video, I want to share with you 16 socks tutorial. If you want to dance, just keep on watching. Okay, before we begin, let's mirror the video. So my right is your right and my left is your left. If the video is too fast or too slow, please adjust the speed in the YouTube setting. Without further ado, let's get started. The first part will go like this. Okay, so let's break it down into the smaller move. You hold your hand and make 2 circles. Okay? And you bend both knees together. Just go down a little bit and keep it and just swing inward horizontally and go with your hand like this one. Okay, your legs, it go back to the center and you use both hands together. Use the right hand, guide the left hand in a half circle behind your head. Okay, and then release 2 hands, open both hand palms. First we go with your left, you open it like this and then you just face it forward, move it back, move it to the right, left, and then move it back to the center. So how about your right? We go like this one. It means your arm bend near your chest and then open it to the right and then back to the center. So you can see my chest, it just like follow my right and then it go back to the center. The lower body will naturally follow my right and then get it back. Look at carefully to my tooth and heel. So it will go like this. When we do this right and then it's open it and we keep it. Right, it's just open a little bit and then slightly get everything back to the center. Okay, so let's do it one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After you finish this one, and you will go with this. First, you hold your hand like this and pass it upward, okay? At the same time, your body lean back slightly with your left leg bend slightly upward, okay? Like this one. Okay, after that, bring it back to the center. Make sure that your feet are apart. You open your arm and then bring it near to your left chest. Open it to the right and then close it back to the center. You do the same on the right side, like this one. So the original one just like this. But here's an option. It depends on you. It's optional. So for me, I want to make the movement a little bit more attractive. So I will let the lower body follow the motion of the upper body. So when I go like this, and then my legs would go like this. Okay, it's just like you keep it this open and then close it, open, close it. Remember to use it. This one. Tang, tang. Huh? Thin, short, tuck, tuck. See? Next, extend your left arm straight to the side. And then your right hand, swap your head, moving from the left behind your head to the right. Okay? At the same time, your left leg stay rounded while your right leg kicks up like this. After we finish this one, you make a small circular move and drop your arm down in a relaxed and loose way. Your eyes look forward. Your left leg as it come inward. This one. Just one. Circle, loose. Okay? You know the practice is similar to the one that we practiced earlier. So I'm gonna do it again for you. Tăng, drop. It's kind of fast, but try it. But I will make it slower for you. 3, 2, 1. Tăng, tăng. Okay, one more time. Here. Okay. After that, you stand tall, but slightly lean to the left. Your right punches out to form a right angle. Then turn halfway through and swing your right from inside to outside and hitting to the back and releasing it. And let's flow into the next move. Okay, we'll make it again for you. This one, right? This, release. Okay? Your legs are apart and you open your palms as you hit a flat surface. Just imagine you hit a table or a jump 4 times, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. Then bring 2 hands together close to the right hips and hit 1 and once on the left. Okay? After that, you will do a trough, like you're sitting down into it without letting your heel touching the ground, and your hand go sharply together, like you cross it out, and it hit a bit, and it should land on pop. Okay, and then you stand tall again. So let me show you. Nani in the palm. Stand tall. Okay? Na 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 na. Stand tall. Left hand hold left. Right elbow hit twice. Come back to the center. Left hand craft your pants and pound with the beat. 3 strong hits. Into the side. Your right. Pull from left to right. Your left hand pushes out. Head stiff, look to the right. Release the arm, roll your hip once, and then throw it out with your left. Bring your focus back to the center. Let's review. Come to the center with a small head nod. Then 2 punches out. Opposite arm and leg, your hand in the L shape. Step with your heel lifted. Then come to the other side. 2 times. Drop your arm, feet together, knee open. Circle up in 1 count. Open into the finger gun. Hand at the forehead. Your right point left to right. Your left legs stay crowded while your right leg slip lightly at the right angle. Okay, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Everything together will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, with a tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open palm, just hit left, right, open to the right. Then switch, hold your hand and together open it to the center. Slide to the side, your left high and your right low. One more time. Tan, 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 ta. Stand up. Your hand look like this. Punch your hand forward, your left hand underneath. Open your right hand and close it. And you hold your hand like you punch somebody. Okay, but then no, you punch it back left, front right. Okay, and then jump in. You pull the arm up and finish the chorale.